In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create dashboards using Canva, a simple, fun, and intuitive process that takes only a few minutes. If you've ever wanted to turn data into something more visual and engaging, dashboards are a great way to do it. They help you present numbers and insights clearly, whether you're working on a project report, a business presentation, or a personal tracking board. Let's get started. After logging into your Canva account, go up to the search bar at the top of your homepage and type Dashboard. This is your first step toward discovering Canva's ready-made dashboard templates. As soon as you hit enter, you'll see a collection of professionally designed templates waiting for you. Canva offers a wide variety, from minimal, modern layouts to colorful, dynamic ones, so you can find the perfect design that matches your purpose and audience. Take a minute to browse through them. Think about what type of data you'll be presenting and who it's for. A clean, simple dashboard might work best for internal reports, while a more colorful one could be great for social media analytics or client presentations. Once you find a template that fits your needs, click Customize this template. Canva will open it in the editor, and this is where the fun begins. Inside the editor, you can personalize everything, from charts and icons to fonts and colors. Each element on the dashboard is fully editable. If you want to update text, just click on it and type your own data or titles. To replace existing charts or visuals, click on the element and explore the options in the side panel. Canva gives you access to shapes, lines, icons, and even built-in charts you can use to represent your data more accurately. If you're working with real data, you can upload charts or visuals you've created elsewhere, for example, screenshots from Excel or Google Sheets, and drop them right into your dashboard design. Now, let's talk about customization. Dashboards should not only present data, but also make it easy to understand at a glance. Use Canva's color tools to highlight key metrics. For instance, use bright or bold colors for important figures and softer shades for background details. Adjust your fonts to maintain readability. Stick with clean, professional styles that complement your design instead of overwhelming it. You can also use icons or small illustrations to represent categories or sections. For example, a graph icon for analytics, a calendar icon for schedules, or a dollar sign for financial data. Little touches like these help your audience process the information faster. If you want to add new sections or rearrange existing ones, it's easy. Canva's drag and drop interface lets you move elements around until everything looks balanced and clear. As you edit, keep one main goal in mind: clarity. The best dashboards are not crowded or overly detailed. They focus on telling a clear story through visuals. Every chart, color, and text block should have a purpose. When you're happy with how your dashboard looks, take a moment to double-check alignment and spacing. Consistent placement of elements makes your design look polished and professional. Once your dashboard is complete, it's time to share or present it. Click on Share in the top right corner, then choose how you want to export your design. You can download it as a PNG, JPG, or PDF, or even share it directly through a Canva link. And that's it. Your custom dashboard is ready. With just a few steps, you've turned raw data into a visually compelling story. Whether you're showing progress reports, performance results, or marketing stats, Canva makes it easy to design dashboards that are not only informative, but also visually striking. Take a little time to experiment with different templates, layouts, and color combinations. The more you play with Canva's tools, the more creative and confident you'll become. Thanks for watching. I hope this tutorial helped you learn how to create dashboards in Canva. If it did, don't forget to like the video, subscribe for more quick design tips, and hit the bell icon so you never miss an update. Happy designing.